Hi, my name is Kathy Saunders. I'm coordinator of Lighting the Way Historic Women of the South Coast, a project of New Bedford Whaling Museum. Today, I want to introduce you to a new online exhibit that we have called Organizing New Bedford, Women Who Mobilized Change. Now, this online exhibit will be of interest to many people, but especially educators, because there are so many ways to learn about community members who had a positive impact on the civic life of the region. What I'm going to do in this short video is give you an introduction to the exhibit, how to navigate it, and how to access the supplemental resources that'll help you build it out in your classroom. Let's get started. I've opened up to Organizing New Bedford Women Who Mobilized Change. You can find links on how to get there in the video notes. On this front page, you will see a map of the 6 locations featured and an overview of the tour themes. When you scroll down, you will find links to different stories or stops on the tour. Let's click on one. You can navigate through the stories by clicking next. There's a previous button if you want to go back. And if you want to go back to the home page, you can hit tour info. Every stop has a story, as well as images and sometimes even video or audio. When you click on the images, you will notice that there are captions at the bottom that give you more interesting info and sometimes even links to external resources. Below the images is a map indicating a location connected with the story. And below the map, each story has several factoids, which provide more context to the woman's life and time period. Sometimes these contain links to interviews, articles, or videos that can deepen your understanding of the story. Each story also has a link to the Lighting the Way website for Educator Resources connected to the exhibit. Here you can see that we have links that will take you to supplemental curriculum resources as well as connections to Massachusetts learning standards. The supplemental resources support middle school through college-age students, and the Massachusetts Learning Standards crosswalks start with a focus on 8th grade. In the supplemental resources document, we have compiled videos, lesson plans, and other online resources to aid you in expanding upon the historical narrative in the exhibit and support your classroom teaching. There's one more thing I want to show you back in the digital exhibit. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, there's a bibliography for each story. So if you want to take a deeper dive, you can check out these resources. We hope that you and your students are inspired by these women and that their stories spark your imaginations. Please visit www.historicwomensouthcoast.org to find out more about historic women of the South Coast, as well as programs and resources inspired by their legacies.